Hi guys, welcome to Knowledge World again. We have been learning related to the Gmail different features. So I just plan to complete this series first. So I'm just adding the videos to like one video you will get end screen in that. For the second video preview would be there in the end of the video. So each and every feature would be explained and I would try to complete whole Gmail in that. So try to help me, and if you like the videos, and also please subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have any questions, so always comment there. I would try to help you out in that too. So we were working, or we were learning related to the forwarding. So what we learned how to do forwarding and how to remove that email as well from the forwarding. So let's and how to set the email as well in the forwarding. Now we are going to add few filters as well in that. So first, let me show you. We'll click on the settings, see all settings. Here in forwarding, you can set up an email which you want to set up. So you will enter that email here, sorry, in this, and then you will go ahead. If you want to disable the forwarding, you will click on that. So no email would go to the next email. You just need to click on save. That is one thing. Another part is that you will go on forwarding. Here you can again add from this. So how to use in the filters. So let's say I'm just coming here. Here, well, I'm just repeating. I'm just using filters plus forwarding here. So I would filter few emails. Like let's say I'm just taking the. You can see here in subject line so many different things are there too. So let's say I'm just taking email which are having project manager in the title, and I would search in the inbox, and I would click on create filter. I would click OK, and here I'll get few options. So what I will do, I will see like where I need to forward. I will click here, and then wherever I want to send. So let's say I'm just taking this one. I'll click on this. So my emails would go on that. And what I need to do at last, I just need to go down here. You will see save filter. So when you will click on that, so all the emails related to the project manager title would go on that email address where I have set up this thing. So this way you can set the things. Let's say you are getting so many emails in your one Gmail ID, and you just need something specific with the subject line. So you can set forwarding and use the filter in this way, and you will get related to emails in your inbox. So try to use that and let me know if it works for you. And please like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you need any guidance related to that, please question me. You can comment anytime. I will try to help you out. Thank you.